Chipping, Matthew Vitale was very good in the driving discipline. A nice first chip, too, 4 feet.
Oh, how about it? He did it. Fantastic.
Matthew holding the chip. How about that? Sensational performance.
And the other thing, talking to these boys and girls last night, they all understand the importance of short game, and you heard Bubba talk about it.
Yes.